What if I told you that wealth is not just about money, but a secret battle within your mind? Intrigued? If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Now, let's dive into the psychology of wealth and uncover the true meaning of financial success. Depending on who you consult, wealth can take on a variety of meanings. Some might equate it with a substantial bank balance, while others define it as a feeling of security, freedom, or being able to indulge in life's pleasures without the burden of financial stress. But a common misbelief is that wealth is strictly about financial gain. In truth, wealth creation encompasses much more than simply amassing money. It's a specific of psychological attributes and behaviors that lay the groundwork for financial prosperity. So, what are these psychological characteristics that lead to wealth creation? First off, financial literacy is key. This involves comprehending the language of money, mastering the skills of budgeting, investing, and money management. It's about making knowledgeable that lead to financial expansion. Secondly, establishing clear, achievable objectives is crucial. These goals can act as a guide to wealth creation, offering direction and motivation. Being proactive is another critical attribute. This involves taking the lead, capitalizing on opportunities, and making things happen, rather than merely waiting for them to occur. Then there's the capacity to effectively manage risk. Wealth creation often necessitates stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. Comprehending opportunity costs is also essential. This involves understanding that every decision carries a potential cost and making choices that maximize benefits while minimizing losses. Many of the globe's wealthiest individuals exemplify these traits. Take Warren Buffett, for example, one of history's most successful investors. He's renowned for his financial literacy, goal-setting, proactive mindset, risk management, and understanding of opportunity costs. But it's important to remember that certain psychological barriers can impede wealth creation. Fear, failure, self-doubt, and negative can serve as on the road to financial success. It's crucial to overcome these mental hurdles. So, how can you do this? Firstly, by acknowledging them. Recognizing these fears and doubts is the first step towards conquering them. Secondly, by challenging them. Question the credibility of fears and doubts. Are they fact-based or assumption-based? Lastly, by replacing them with positive beliefs. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and achievement. Believe in your capability to generate wealth. In conclusion, wealth creation is not just about money. It's about cultivating the appropriate psychological traits such as financial literacy, goal-setting, proactivity, risk management, and understanding opportunity costs. It's about overcoming psychological barriers like fear, self-doubt, and negative beliefs. Remember, wealth is more than an endpoint, it's a journey. A journey that entails ongoing learning, development, and adaptation. A journey that is unique to each person, shaped by their goals, values, and circumstances. So, as you set off on your path to wealth creation, bear these insights in mind. Develop the right mindset, create clear goals, be proactive, manage risks effectively, understand opportunity costs, and surmount psychological barriers. After all, wealth is not just about the destination, but also about the journey. And every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today, begin your journey to wealth creation.